Hey guys, although we are heading towards the end of 2019 and the large phones of almost all manufacturers have already been presented, we still have a few Xiaomi phones to see this year. One of them is the most awaited Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro, which according to several sources could be presented before December 2019. Which is why its design and its characteristics are already appearing on the web. Among the main features of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 that we should highlight its camera. It is thought that this new Redmi or its Pro version can reach the market equipped with a quad camera system with a 64 megapixel sensor on its main lens. In this way, we would be facing the first mobile of the Chinese brand with this peculiarity. The image reveals that the phone would have 4 cameras in the back, although there are no details of them. It is likely that the fourth sensor, the main difference with the current Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, is a TOF that add depth information to our shots. In the absence of a fingerprint reader, it would be just under the glass of mobile screen. As you can see in the image, a Xiaomi phone has just appeared on the network. So as per the rumors, there are 2 models appeared on the certification. Both the models are expected to be the Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. The specification and other information are not yet revealed, so once it is been revealed, I will get a video in my channel. So this is all about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and the Note 8 Pro that has been revealed till now. Hope you like the video. What you want to see in the Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro, please comment in the comment section. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.